Hey Grace and Miles, Miss Pam again. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys have had a good week and are working hard and completing all the lessons that Miss Kinsey has been sending home to you, and I hope you've been watching all of your instructional videos. Last week we did a really good review with our calendar using our numbers 1 all the way to 30, and you guys did a great job. You did a great job putting the numbers in order, and then you did a wonderful job identifying the number and putting it back on the calendar. And at the end of the lesson, I told you that I would be adding some new numbers to your calendar. So I sent those to Miss Kinsey, and I know Miss Kinsey put them in your packet. So what you need to get out today, Miles and Grace, are your calendars and the 5 numbers that Miss Pam sent to you in a baggie. They're in a baggie. And Miles, yours are the basketballs, of course, and Grace, yours are the princess numbers. Now remember, Miss Pam's calendar does look different from your calendar because I'm home and I had to work with the materials that I had. So even though my calendar looks different, you are going to be listening to Miss Pam and watching me at the beginning, but then you're going to be using your numbers on your calendar. So what I'd like for us to do first is to look at our calendar with our numbers on it, okay? And we are going to practice counting starting with the number 1, and we're going to end with the number 30 as a review. And then we're going to talk about the 5 new numbers that we're going to add. Okay, are you ready? All right, if you would put your finger on number 1 and your eyes on your calendar right now. Here we go. Let's stay together. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Now, I'm sure you remember before spring break, we talked a lot about strategies and how we can remember what number comes next when we're counting by ones. Now, when we were learning about our numbers in the 20s, we noticed that the very first number is always going to be the number 2. So each of those numbers start with the number 2. And the second number just keeps ordering over and over again, such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then it starts back over to 0. But we are no longer in the 20s. We are going to learn the next 5 numbers starting with the number 30. So just like the number 20, look at Miss Pam's calendar. What comes after 20? It's 21. So if you look at number 30, what comes after 30? You're right. Can you say 31? So 31 is going to come after the number 30, just like 21 comes after 20. Okay. All right. Keep your eyes on Miss Pam's calendar for right now. So we have the number 30 and 31. Okay. So every number that we're going to choose in the 30s, look at where I'm pointing, all begin with the number 3. So after 31, what do you think the next number is going to be? 32. 32. This is how we write the number 32. It's a 3 and a 2. Okay. So let's repeat. Start with 30. 30, 31, 32, and what comes after 2? That's right, 3. 33. So that's our next new number. All right, Miles and Grace, we have 2 more. Look where Miss Pam is pointing. What number is that? That's right, Grace. It's the number 30. All right, let's count together. Here we go, starting with 30. 30, 31, 32, 33, and what comes after 3? That's right, 4. So the next one would be 34. And we have 1 left. Let's start back with 30. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. And what do you think that number is? What do you think? That's right, 35. So those are our 5 new numbers. All right, so what I would like for you to do is I would like for you to get your new numbers like how Miss Pam had hers out over here. And I would like for you to put the number, like where I'm pointing, 31 on your calendar. That's going to be your next number after 30. You're going to add 31. Now, from your baggie, see if you can find the number 32. 32. If you found it, go ahead and put that on your calendar. Now see if you can find the number 33. Did you find it, Miles? I bet you did. If you found it, put that on your calendar. And now I would like for you to add number 34. 34. And you should have 1 left. Grace, can you find 35? You did? Awesome. Put that on your calendar. So your calendar should have 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. So we have our 5 new numbers. Oh, if we can make it up to the number 40, we will have reached our goal for the year. And Miss Pam will be so excited. We are just 5 numbers away. So I'm pumped to do the next 5. But let's get these numbers that we just learned stuck in our brains, just like our other numbers. So before I leave today from the lesson, I would like for us to go back to the number 1, and we are going to add on these last 5 numbers together. And I want you guys to start practicing your math warm-up every day, if you can, counting You're counting all of your numbers, starting with the number 1 and ending with 35. All right, one more time. Get your finger out, point to number 1, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Here's our new numbers. 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. Woo-hoo! I'm so proud of you, Grace and Miles. Learning 5 new numbers. You're doing awesome. So you guys keep practicing, and I will talk to you soon. You guys have a great day. Love and miss you. Bye-bye.